Okay, that's done. But that was fun. Whew. Yeah, the wood was rotten. It was ready to fall over. I mean, it was being supported by this, but the whole thing was falling apart. Oh, now I gotta clear this shit out of here. Of course, we just had our bulk trash removal a couple weeks ago, so it's like 3 more months until they show up again. Unless my son-in-law and I put this on the trailer to take it to the dump. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's I think the termites might have got to it. I don't know. Yeah, this one's definitely sturdy compared to this one. This one was like falling apart. All right. Next project in a while will be to go get some more lumber and put a new one back up. It's gonna be a little bit different though. I have been having some ideas in my head how I want to do this. Maybe extend it down that way so it's like a little roof going along this walkway all the way this way. I don't know. I'll think of something. Well, working on the backyard, I got rid of that addition to this gazebo that was rotten. That was a lot of fun tearing that thing down. Whew. But yeah, it's gone. So I have to figure out how I'm going to do it. It was just hooked up there and it was like rotten. Gotta fix that up there. Put some new wood up maybe. But yeah, I'm thinking about having 2 4x4s all along this wall with a leaning wood out towards the pool and here, and put those lattice works, the 3-foot ones or 2-foot, whatever they are, not the full size. Just gives some privacy. I can hang some lights there. But yeah, it's a lot nicer without that on there. It was really falling apart. A lot of them fell on my head when I was hitting them with a hammer. But yeah, they're gonna come tomorrow to do the tiles, they told me. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. I don't know how many trips I made to put it on this trailer. Of course, I just missed the bulk pickup by a couple weeks. So I'm just gonna take this to the dump. My son-in-law's got some things he wants to take, so we'll just go to his house, load it up with his junk and take it over there. The guy came over yesterday looking around. He said he'll get rid of this dirt because I told him I do not want that dirt back around the pool. I want some nice dirt. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. I'm tired. I did it early before it got a little bit warm. But yeah, it looks so different without that lean-to they made. But yeah, I'll get used to it once I get the other one built. That's ugly, man. I gotta think what I'm gonna do to get rid of that. It's like tar or something they put on the wall. Okay, that's it for this one. Well, today the tiles are going in, so that's cool. I thought they were gonna be here tomorrow, but they came early. So that is neat. Got these tiles right here, and these are going on the steps. These are really pretty. They change colors depending on what angle you're looking at them, so they'll look cool under the water. So yeah, it's coming along pretty good. I got one more mosaic coming today, but I'm not sure if he's going to install the mosaics or another person's going to do those. So I'll find out later. The superintendent, Dave from Dolphin Pool, is going to let me know because I told him they came a day early. So that's sweet. Yeah, I'm going to take this guy along to do it. He had one already this morning. He finished it. Yeah, these guys know what they're doing. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, he's done putting up the mud along the side of the pool. Now he's putting up the tiles. I think it's gonna look pretty good. It's coming along fine. He's almost done with the tiles on the edge. That looks sweet. What a difference it makes, gosh. I can't wait to see that pebble sheen finish on it, and when they paint the decking. A lot of work making these poles. Doing the steps now. That's pretty interesting.
Mi nombre es Leslie y uno de los pequeños detalles que me encanta del Smokehouse Barbecue Bacon Sandwich es que cuando lo pruebo me olvido del trabajo, me transporto a un lugar tranquilo. Con la seguridad avanzada de Panoramic Wi-Fi de Cox, te envía alertas al momento y te ayuda a evitar sitios sospechosos. Administración 2024 500 todos los derechos reservados.
En FAI contamos con estándares altos en frescura. Por eso realizamos una inspección de hasta 27 puntos en nuestros productos. Como las naranjas, que las revisamos por raspaduras en donaciones. Así solo llegan los mejores productos a nuestros estantes. Porque cuando se trata de frescura para todos, cada conda cuenta. FAI, fresh for everyone.
That looks like a lot of fun putting those in. Okay, he's all done tiling it. Took him about 4.5 hours, maybe. So yeah, it's a lot of work involved, but it came out really nice. Yeah, we got it down here along the seat. And we got it on the steps, little ones, and the skimmer too. And we got the skimmer here. It's all done. Looks really nice. So the next step will be putting the mosaics in, and then they're going to do an inspection. Once the inspection is passed, then they will schedule the interior for the pebble sheen finish. And before that, they want their last check. So I think I need to go there tomorrow maybe and give them the check for doing this. Okay.